Well, hello, folks. Williams, Philippines. Hope you're having a wonderful, I guess it's Saturday morning for most of you, because it's Saturday evening here. It's 13 hours ahead of Central Time. Uh, yeah. Anyway, I'm about to head out to Carbon Market. I'm going to carry my phone, try to get some pictures of it. Might do a couple of shorts and see what else, maybe a short live. I don't know. All I know is I'm going to try to go out and do something and have some fun. Uh, oh, got a haircut. Uh, yeah, 80 pesos. It's not bad. Don't get me wrong, I didn't have a lot of hair to start with, so it wasn't a big job or anything, but I like it. Uh, Even shaved. It is what it is. Anyway, thought I'd get this out there and let y'all know that I'm still alive today. I'm going to go get some stuff done. Like I say, hit Carbon Market and try some food. Hopefully, it won't be too expensive, but I know that it's going to cost a little bit to get there and back. Maybe I'll figure out the buses or the jeepneys between now and the next time, but I'm still working on that. I really need to get serious about the jeepneys. Yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, the jeepneys are a lot cheaper, but they're a lot slower and they're a lot more crowded. I yeah, it is what it is. I know I can catch one from right out front here, just up the road there. From there over to Park Mall, and I think I'm going to try that some of that tomorrow. Again, try to get out and do a little bit of exploring on the jeepneys. See all where I can go get lost to. Uh, I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, yeah. I'm feeling kind of in a good mood. Uh, Positive things in life. That's a good thing. Trying to get things figured out and doing. The eye surgery will be coming up not Monday, but the Monday after. And oh, I'm so ready for that. And then about 2 weeks after that, I can get the right eye done. I'm ready for this. And then I'll have a couple of month or two worth of follow-ups to see how it's doing. I'm gonna probably need to take and get a pair of sunglasses. Just saying. Yeah. It's been a while since I have sunglasses, but they're prescription. I don't think I've ever owned a pair of sunglasses that weren't prescription. So I've been wearing prescription for glasses since I was 6, 5. It's been a long time, that's for sure. And back when I was a kid, I didn't get sunglasses, so it wasn't until I was 20 something. So to actually have a pair of sunglasses that are sunglasses and not prescription will be kind of a new thing. I might have to check some out tonight if they have them over at the market. Yeah, all these new things happening. Yeah, it's kind of cool. Anyway, cooked up some pork stir fry this morning. It was a little bland. I need more seasonings in my seasoning cabinet. Yeah. Just saying, need more seasoning. There's a shortage. I haven't had much time to build. Seasonings are one of those things you build over time and then you end up with so much that yeah. I got rid of a bunch of seasonings when I left Texas. Kind of miss that idea. It is what it is. Anyway, I'm going to get out of here, go get some things done. I hope you have a blessed weekend. Enjoy your Saturday. I'm going to enjoy my Saturday night. A lot of food, a lot of friends, lots of family, and again, more food, which I'm going to go get some of. This is William Williams, Philippines. You do you. Like, comment, subscribe. Come, go, do whatever. It's you. Figure it out. I'm Fish, and you have a good day and blessings. Later, bye-bye. More food. Fish out.